Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. And today we are doing something fall themed with flowers. I love flowers. So I call this my fall vine with sunflowers cake. Let's get started.
I started out by coloring my buttercream. I had some leftover yellow from another project, and I added some white to it, which was just a touch too bright, so I added just a touch of brown to it. Then I had some leftover black buttercream, which I added some white to make it gray. Then I added yellow food coloring to it, which turned it green. So I added red to counteract the green, which turned it the brown I was looking for. The green I made from white buttercream with blue and yellow food coloring. Then I frosted my sheet cake dummy with white vegan American buttercream. You can frost your own cake, you can only frost the top of yours, or you can buy it frosted. I'm using 3 piping tips today, a medium round tip, a leaf tip, and a crescent tip. I put brown buttercream in a piping bag with the round tip, green with the leaf tip, and yellow with the crescent tip. Then I piped a brown vine snaking around the top and along the sides. Then I started in one corner and piped petals with the crescent tip radiating out from the center. I overlapped the petals. But I found this sunflower a bit small. I piped another larger sunflower in the next corner. This one is much better. I piped another one in the middle near the bottom. This one I made just a touch too large, but it was okay. Then I piped some small ones around the side of the cake, but the Oreos were much too large for these, so I piped the centers with the round piping tip. If you like what we do here, hit that like button, and while you're down there, hit subscribe for a new cake video every week. Finally, I added leaves with green buttercream all around the flowers and on the vine. I think this cake is so lovely. It's so happy with the sunflowers and was really easy to pipe. This is also a symbolic birthday cake for a friend of mine whose birthday is the beginning of November, but we live very far away from each other. So happy birthday, Bonnie Jean! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram.